Hey folks, today's episode is going to be a quick vlog. I'm going to take my Tesla and go on a drive to a hilltop and do a camp there. Maybe if the weather permits, I might do a quick hike as well. So stay tuned for what's coming up. Here are the things I'm packing for my camping trip. It's my favorite Mac laptop and two books, Skin in the Game, Strategies, 33 Strategies of War. So I've already read around 20-30% of this book and I'm yet to start this one. And I also have a water bottle with me. And that's my cap. Here's my favorite shades. Come on, let's get started. Meet my gorgeous Night Fury. She was getting charged the entire night and now she is ready to hit the road. The weather is pretty good. It's a bright sunny day. There isn't any traffic since it's the weekend. So it's going. Guys, we are entering the base of the hill station. We have just come past Dublin, the city. Just wait for this scene, one of the cinematic views you can ever get. Look at the sun, it just. Finally, we have reached this beautiful camping place somewhere in the Wicklow Mountains. It's around 2 hours drive from my home. Look at the location. It's simply awesome. And there are a lot of visitors coming because it's a weekend. You could see a lot of crowd. There is a short hiking trail here. So I don't think I'll be able to make it today because of the weather. But next time, definitely, yes, we can go for a hike. And guess what? This big bag has the air mattress in it. So these are all kind of window shields that's going to cover. And here you go. Our Tesla air mattress is getting inflated. It's going to take some time. Okay, let's start preparing the car for the night stay. So I've used these windshields for covering the windows. And there is a unique feature in Tesla which is called as camp mode, which none of the EVs have. So once we turn on this mode, our car is ready for camping. And this is a view through our panoramic roof. The sky is bright and shining, so it's still too early for starting the camp. Here is a view through our window. Almost all the cars have gone. It's getting darker slowly. So excited for my first camping. So I have a plenty of time before I go to bed. So I have just opened my laptop and going to do some browsing for my next content. Now that I'm tired, I'm going to watch this movie, sit back, relax and sleep. So this movie is Sachin, the actor is Vijay. It got re-released recently. So see you tomorrow morning. Hi folks, good morning. I'm pretty sure that it's very cold outside, 5 or 6 degrees. And so this camper van is parked the entire night. Apart from that, everybody left. So there isn't anyone. It's going to be a good view outside. Let's get out and see. Let me put on my shoes. It's so cold, I can't even take off my hands from the jacket. It's damn cold. Let's see how things are. I'm walking towards the lake, so this is the beautiful place that people were looking for. Just look at this place. How beautiful it is. It's an amazing scene, right? Here we have few guests Are you able to see the? Hope you're able to see the wild deers. It's been just a month since I bought the car. I had crashed it, unfortunately. I hope insurance is gonna help me here. I'm gonna say I'm gonna say bye bye to the camperman here. See you, bye bye. Take care.